how to upload an image in Gemini AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily upload image in Gemini AI and ask whatever question that you want. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser and then on the search bar, search for Gemini, tap on it and then tap on the first link. Now, here on the Ask Gemini, you can see a plus icon to upload image. You'll have to tap on it, tap on upload files, and now go to the picture that you want to upload. Tap on the picture, hit open. Now you can ask whatever you want to, like I can ask it to describe this image and hit send. Now Gemini will take some time and describe this image for you. So you can see that it has described the image in detail. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.